If you are looking for the headphone jack input on a Realme 14T, then unfortunately you won't be able to find it. Usually if the headphone input is on the phone, located on the phone, it is added, then we can find it either at the top or at the bottom of the device. However, as you can see, the only port that we have over here is the USB-C port. And this is the answer pretty much, because if you have USB-C wired headphones, then you can use the USB-C port at the bottom in order to use these headphones. However, if you have headphones with this kind of cable, then in that case you need to use an adapter that looks like this, which converts the headphone jack input to USB-C. They are pretty cheap and easy to find. You should be able to find it, for example, on Amazon or other similar websites. And we need to connect wired headphones to that adapter, and of course, with the adapter we can be connected to the phone. And this is how we can use wired headphones. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.